Good morning, friends. At last lecture we study about the circulation. The remaining part study about the blood, heart and others. The next part is that a transverse groove present between the arteria and ventricles is called atrium, ventricular grooves or corona sculus. Coronary arteries and coronal veins are situated in interventricular cells. The corona arteries supply oxygenated blood to heart. The coronary veins collected deoxygenated blood from heart. The coronary veins join to form coronary sinus. Coronary sinus opens in right atrium. Pulmonary trunk and systemic aorta are connected. Ligamentous arteriosum. Systemic aorta arises from left ventricle. Pulmonary trunk and systemic aorta are connected by ligamentous arteriosum. Ligamentum arteriosum represents rhamnosus abductus, arteriosus of foetus. Right and left atria are separated from each other by interlateral spectrum. The opening of inferior vena cava is guarded by Ostian walls. The opening of coronary sinus is guarded by Thebesian walls. The oval depression fossa ovalis is present on the right side of interatrial spectrum. The left atrium receives oxygenated blood from lungs through 4 openings of pulmonary veins. Each atrium opens into the ventricle of its sides through arterioventricular aperture. The right arterioventricular walls is called Trapsius wall. The left arterioventricular walls is called bicuspid or mitral walls. The arterioventral walls are attached to papillary muscles. The chordate tendon prevents the walls from turning back into arteria during the contraction of ventricles. The ventricles are thick wall and separated by interventricular spectrum. The left ventricle has thicket was as it has pumped bloods to all parts of the body. The inner surface of the ventricle is thrown into a series of irregular nuclear rigid columni, carinea or trabeculum carinea. Pulmonary trunk carries deoxygenated blood to lungs for oxygenation. Systematic aorta arises from left ventricle carrying oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. Pulmonary aorta and systematic aorta has 3 semilunar walls. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart is called heartbeat. The heartbeat about 72 times per minute pumps 5 liters of blood per minute. Human heart impulses are myogenic in origin. The heartbeats originated in modified cardiac muscles called SA nodes. SA nodes lies in the walls of right atrium near the opening of superior vena cava. SA nodes is also known as pacemaker. The AV nodes is located in the wall of right atrium near the opening of coronary sinus. Bundle of his arises from AV nodes. Fossa ovalis represents remains of 4 main walls of foetus. The bundle of its branches gives rise to Purkinje's fibers. Purkinje's fibers penetrate in myocardium of ventricles. The event associated with one heartbeat is called cardiac cycle. The cardiac cycle lasted for 0.8 seconds. The arterial systolic lasts for 0.1 second. Ventricular systoles last of 0.3 second. The joint diastolic lasts for 0.4 second. The cardiovascular centers lies in the medulla oblongata of the brain. SA nodes receives sympathetic nerves which secretes adrenaline. SA nodes receives parasympathetic nerves which secretes acetylcholine. Adrenaline stimulates heartbeats. Acetylcholine decreases heartbeats. During inspiration, heart rate increases and during expiration, it fails. This phenomenon is called sinus arrhythmia. The study of blood vessels is called angiology. Angions means vessels. Pulmonary arteries carries deoxygenated blood. Artery divides into arterioles. Arteries are characterized by presence of thick and muscular tunic media. The wall of arteries is made up of 3 layers. Capillaries are formed by division of arterioles. Capillaries are the thinnest blood vessels. The wall of capillaries is made up of endothelium, squamous epithelium. Capillaries unites to form venules. Veins carry deoxygenated blood. Exception is pulmonary veins. The circular between the heart and lungs is called pulmonary circulation. The circulation between heart and body organs is called systematic circulation. The heart of healthy person beats 72 times per minute. This is called heart rate. During each heartbeat, ventricles pumps about 70 ml of blood. This is called stroke volume. The blood pumped by heart per minute is called cardiac output. Tachycardia means fast heart rate, usually over 100 beats per minute. Bicardia means slow heart rate. The radial arteries of the wrist is most commonly used to feel the pulse. Last pressure or force accepted by blood on the walls of arteries is called artery blood pressure. Blood pressure is measured with an instrument called sphygmomanometer. Systolic blood pressure is presence of pressure of blood during ventricular systole. Normal systolic pressure is 120 mmHg. Normal blood pressure is 120-80 mmHg. During hypertension, systolic blood pressure is more than 140 mm and diastolic blood pressure is more than 90 mm. Narrowing of coronary arteries leads to conditions such as coronary arteries disease. Example, atherosclerosis. Angina pectoris is pain in the chest that results from reduction of blood supplies to cardiac. When heart fails to pump the blood effectively, it results in heart failure. The graphic records of the electrical variations produced by the heart during one heartbeat cardiac cycle is called electrocardiogram, that is the ECG. The technique of ECG was discovered by Ethiopian excessive BP 220/120 mmHg cause breaking, rupture of blood vessels of eyes, kidney and brain. Means stroke of blindness, nephritis and stroke of paralysis. Match the following column A and column B. P waves, ventricle depolarization, QRS complex, ventricular relaxation, T waves, articular depolarization. The correct answer is Column A, P waves, RTL depolarization, QRS complex, ventricular depolarization, and T waves, ventricular relaxation. The positive waves of the EKG and P waves and T waves. On the ECG, the x-axis represent time and y-axis represent the voltage displacement. Artificially pacemaker is produced by nicked battery having a life of 3 to 7 years. Lympha is colorless fluid connectively tissue. The tissue fluid that bathes the cells is collected in lymphatic capillaries and then it is called lymph. Blood minus RBCs, platelets and some plasma protein is called lymph. Lymphatic capillaries are lined by endothelium of these and flat cells. Lymphatic capillaries unites to form large tubes called lymphatic vessels. Thoracic's left lymphatic ducts, the main collecting ducts of the lymphatic system. The lymphatic comes from the intestine comes absorb fats. Lymphatic vessels from the intestine and milky appearance are called lacteals. The right lymphatic ducts drain lymph from upper side of the body. Lymph nodes also produce lymphocytes and antibodies. Thank you. Like it, share it.
क्या बोलता है?